When looking at percent increase or percent decrease, we use very similar formulas. Percent of increase is the value of the increase divided by the original. Percent of decrease is the value of the decrease over the original. In both cases, the decimal result will need to be converted into a percent. In Part A town's population increased from 25,200 to 26,460. Find the percent of increase in the town's population. I'm going to abbreviate PI, percent increase. We have 26,460 minus 25,200. And we're going to divide by the original amount. Since we're talking about percent increase, the original is the smaller amount. In this case, 25,200. We'll deal with the numerator first. 26,460 minus 25,200. This gives us 1,260. We'll leave the denominator as it is for now. And now we can divide to get the final result. We end up with 5/100ths. But keep in mind that we want to write this as a percentage. So we multiply by 100, which will essentially just move that decimal 2 times to the right. This will give us 5%. So there's a 5% increase when it jumps from 25,200 to 26,460. In Part B, an ice cream stand sold 6,000 ice cream cones last summer. This year, the same stand sold 5,400 ice cream cones. What was the percent of decrease in the number of cones sold from last summer to this summer? Percent decrease. We found the amount of the decrease. That is 6,000 minus 5,400. And we want to divide by the original amount. If it's going down, that means the original had to be the higher amount. Let's start by looking at the numerator. 6,000 minus 5,400. We get 600. Divided by 6,000. This will give us 1/10, which we need to convert to a percentage. Remember, to convert a decimal to a percentage, we essentially multiply by 100, which will move the decimal 2 times to the right, leaving us with 10%. So when it goes from 6,000 to 5,400, the percent of decrease is 10%.